Humans spend countless hours agonizing over things they cannot change. Last night's weather, a canceled flight, a low subscriber count. Imagine reclaiming all that wasted energy. Stoic philosophy teaches us a remarkable truth. You can't control the world, but you can control how it affects you. This isn't ancient fluff, it works today. Meet Zeno of Cyprus. A shipwreck burned through his wealth overnight. Most of us would despair, but Zeno used the wreck as a wake-up call. He asked himself, what can I influence right now? That reframing birthed Stoicism, an inner exercise about accepting reality, not resisting it. Stoic teachers like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius carried Zeno's idea forward. They all lived by the principle we now call the dichotomy of control. They said, figure out what's in your power and devote yourself to that. Let everything else go. This cognitive shift is rooted not just in morality, but psychology. Modern research backs it up. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and advice like sleep on it come from the same Stoic roots. When you catch yourself obsessing over something outside your control, a tiny pause where you ask, can I change this? Helps you avoid spirals of anxiety and self-doubt. That's not weakness, it's clarity. Think about your own life. Are you judging your success by likes, money, or others' approval? According to Stoicism, all those are externals, fleeting and unpredictable. The only real achievement is effort. Send the email, practice the skill, upload the video. That's your domain. Let's apply it. You hit upload, then nothing happens. The algorithm shifts. You feel deflated. A Stoic wouldn't judge their worth on views. They'd ask, did I publish? Did I do the work? If yes, success is done. The rest is fate. This mindset isn't fatalism either. It's empowerment. You still act, but you don't collapse if outcomes stray. It's the difference between I tried, time will tell, and I suck because it didn't work. It's a resilience engine. To practice, start small. Picture worst-case scenarios. Cold showers in winter, skipping a meal, wearing your old clothes. These voluntary discomforts remind you how little you actually need. They build inner fortitude so that when real storms hit, you breathe, you act, not freeze. In our world of constant noise, ads, expectations, pressure, Stoicism offers a clear beacon. Focus on what you control. Let everything else drift away like autumn leaves on a river. So next time you find yourself spiraling about what you can't change, pause, name it. Place it outside your circle, then breathe, then act. That's Stoic mastery.
If the video sparked a thought, don't let it fade. Subscribe for more 5-minute wisdom. And keep exploring. Start with the next video right here.